Stretch and relax the orbicularis oculi muscle on the right. Here, we are working on the orbital bone along the bony base. And as you guess, all motions are very deep. They are not superficial. Now, stretch and relax the orbicularis oculi muscle on the left. We are not working with the skin. We are working with the deep muscles. When the circular muscle shrinks, the excess skin has nowhere to go, and wrinkles and even drooping eyelids form. And I also say eye bags, so it needs to be stretched in this way. Wide eye hold for crow's feet and under eye wrinkles. Gently hold the skin around the orbital area. Open your eyes wide and maintain the stretch for 30 seconds. Closed eye hold for crow's feet and under eye wrinkles. Gently support the skin around your eyes, close your eyes, and hold the position for 30 seconds. At the end of any facial exercises, be sure to do a light lymphatic massage.